Hi guys, welcome back to a new video tutorial. In this video, we will look into how to build a compound interest calculator using this material UI component from Google. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so now let's just first install the material UI component. To do that, first you can go to the website and click on the Getting Started installation. So we will need to install this material UI/core. If you are using the yarn, then you can use the second command. Now let me just terminate this and try to install. Okay, so material UI component has been installed. Now let's just head back and click on the usage. So here we need to import it on top here. Let me just copy this part and then paste it inside the application. So this is for the button. We will need another one which is for the text field. So import text field, doing the same thing. And let's just head back to the component. Okay, so now let me just try to copy this part. So they have different type of styling. You can see this is the field, this is the outline, this is the standard style. So there are more here. And this is the code for this. So let's just get to the first one right here. Copy everything and paste it inside here. We don't have the class name, validation, no. So just get rid of this part. The ID, we don't need this. Same as this one. Okay, and I think let's just try this one first. This is the variant. Okay, so now let's just take a quick look. And here it is. We got the standard style, field, and outline. I think we need three fields, three text fields. So it's better to use the outline with this border as well. So now let's just head back, and I'm going to copy this, duplicate it two more, and delete this first two. So the label for this component for the compound interest, we need three fields. So first one would be the principal. Second one would be the number of years. Third one is the interest rate. So now let's just have these three. And then I also need a button. So the button, let's just do this. And I'm going to call this as calculate, like that. Let's take a quick look. And here it is. But we need to have like changing the color of this button. So yep, looking good for the start. Okay, so now I have updated everything. I have updated the label, what is the principal, the variant is outline, and the on change button, whatever that we type inside the text field, then it set it into the variable. This one is the set principal, this is set year, and set interest. So for the set interest, I just divided it by 100 just to get the actual number of the interest. And so here we have this, and the button as well. I changed the variant to contain, and the color is primary. So this is like a blue color, and I'll show you as well how to change that. So here, that's it for now. Let's just take a look here. So yep, we have this. When I click on that, you can see that this is the question, and we just enter that, and once we click on the calculate button, then it show the result down here. So let me just quickly show you how to change the color if you want to. So let's say this one is the validation. When I click on the source, you can see that they are using the right here text will equal to error, then it show like the red color. And let me just scroll down to see code down here. Let's see what code they are using in this case. This is the input, and here this is the color. So this is the red color. You can see that the color they are using is equal to secondary. So if it's secondary, that means it's red color as in here. So the primary one would be like a green one, and this is the success. And there are more here. So now let me just quickly show you the button. So for this button, we have different type of styling here. So we have the variant equal to contain, and this is the disable, and the color as well, secondary or the primary. So yep, this is the code of this. Yep, so that's how we change all the property of the either the button or the text field. So now what's next? I'm going to create the function for this calculate button. Okay, so here I search for a compound interest formula. So this is a formula that we need to convert it into the JavaScript or the ReactJS format. Then this is what we have right now. So let's now just get back to the code. So here I also copy it here as well. So this is the formula. So for this we will try to get the result. So declare const result equal to principal time right here math.pow 1 equal to interest, and this is year. So this line right here equal to what you can see right here. So let me just set the result. So result to fix. We just need to have like the two behind this to have the two decimal. So yep, and let me just copy this down here. Okay, calculate. This is the function. So we now have this function. Let's now just try it on the website. Okay, so now let's say the principal I have 10,000, and then the number of year would be just 1 for now, and the annual interest rate around, I would say 8.5. And when I click on this, actually we need to show it down here to see the result. Let's just quickly do that here. So it's supposed to be down here. Would be the result. I might want to also change the font size of this one as well. Maybe 30 pixel. Okay, let's just do it again. Principal 10,000, 1 year, interest rate 8.5. Click on the calculate button, and as you can see, this is the result. What if I have 9.5%? So this is the result for calculation of the compound interest. So I will also show you how to validate whether this number is correct or not as well. So before that, let me just add the $ symbol at the front, and also align this in the center. Alright, so I have updated the code. You can see that this is the flag center. Just align it in the center with the height of 40 view height. And let's just go back, and here this is what it looked like. And this one, this is the compound interest calculator from the moneysmart.gov.au. Let me just also try to enter the same number as well. So this is the 10,000 regular deposit. In this case, we don't have that at the moment, so I'm going to set this to annually. And the number of year, this one would be 1. And this one here would be 8.5. So here the result would be 10,850. And let me just quickly show you again. 8.5, click on the calculate, and here you go. This is the result, which is the same thing. One more thing is that right here you can just enter anything. You can see that I can enter the not the number, like the letter. So to fix this, we can just set the type equal to number. Let me just copy this down here, and let's try it again. Alright, so here it is. Let me just enter anything. You can see that nothing happened, and we get this. We can just click on this as well. So this only accept the number type. And what's next? Let me just try, what about 50,000? And this one would be the same. Right here, number of year will be 5, and compound interest. So for the say the super 0.5 per year in Australia. So this is would be the number, and let's just do it here. 50,000, number of year 5, 9.5, calculate, and the result. And right here, there we have it. So this is the number, and you can see that the reason is that this one, it just round up from the decimal point. So this is $78,711, and here same thing. So yep, that's pretty much how we create the compound interest very quickly. And right here, you can also see that they have the compound frequency. So say, let me just change this to monthly. And we can also set whether this is a compound by monthly or the annually. So we haven't have that one yet. We only have these 3 text field. So if you want to know how to actually create like the number of frequency within a year, let me know. I can also show you how to do that as well. But in this tutorial, that's pretty much it. And I hope you learn how to quickly create this compound interest calculator using the Material UI from Google. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also let me know in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next video.